5 best cryptocurrency today trade in 2022. Cryptocurrency day trading is one of the most lucrative trading strategies in the market. Today, many investors are opening positions in cryptocurrencies, taking advantage or intraday swings in their prices. However, much of the trading success depends on timing and picking the best crypto to trade. This roundup considers the best coins to day trade for exclusive returns. Here, we discuss more on the available options for the best crypto for day trading. Number 1. Lucky Block. Overall, best cryptocurrency to day trade. The very best cryptocurrency to day trade is L Block. This lottery token has a lot of prospects and it has drawn massive attention despite being a new coin. L Block is a native token for Lucky Block. The platform was built with the aim of disrupting the online gaming industry, using blockchain technology to transform the way gamblers play online games. Lucky Block uses the blockchain to ensure transparency and fairness in transaction. The platform is looking to break into the online gaming space, which is valued at 230 billion right now. Number 2. Bitcoin. Best crypto to day trade with massive liquidity. Bitcoin's place as the most valuable cryptocurrency has never been in doubt. The premier digital assets global appeal and high liquidity makes it one of the best day trading cryptocurrencies options. Today, there is barely any asset that has gotten global adoption from exchanges like Bitcoin. Users of this asset have a massive opportunity to enjoy arbitrage trading as well. Number 3. Binance Coin. Best coin with easy fundamentals to read. Binance Coin is the most popular exchange token in the world. The asset was launched by Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange and one of the most popular games in crypto. So, why is BNB among the best crypto for day trading? First is the assets tied to Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange. Binance is always in the news. This means that updates with the exchange will definitely spill over to affect BNB's price. BNB is also popular for its numerous use cases within the Binance ecosystem, from fee payments to staking in the BB Vault. There are several functionalities that drive the coin's price. BNB is also fairly liquid. It is the third most valuable cryptocurrency in the world and is accepted by most crypto exchanges. Number 4. Dogecoin, the market's top meme coin. Dogecoin has many reasons to be among the best crypto to day trade. It is the poster child for meme coins, assets that don't specifically have a use case but which are still popular nonetheless. One thing that characterizes many meme coins is price volatility. Doggy can see its price jump by as much as 20% in a single day. On such a day, being a day trader invested in the coin will be a boon to you. Number 5. Either a large cap coin with massive potential. Rounding off our list of the best day trading cryptocurrency is Ether. The digital asset comes in second after Bitcoin with a $1 billion market cap. Its constant growth over the past few years has intrigued investors to purchase and trade more. Ether's value is tied primarily to the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum is the largest layer 1 smart contract blockchain in the market, meaning that it is quite literally too big to fail for crypto as one of the biggest names in the market. Ether is always on the news, whether due to some adoption news or because of upgrades coming to the Ethereum chain. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel and share this video. Thank you.